How do you feel about receiving? Is there something that you want in your life and you just haven't received it yet? Let's see how we feel about receiving in general. We want to make sure that we're opening up to being able to receive, that the vibe that we send out in our life is saying that we like to receive. How do you do that? We're going to look at a little bit of information, and then we're going to do the 3-step thought process that helps us to eliminate any blocks that are causing us not to receive things that we want into our lives. My name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and we're not here just to yak. We're here to make changes. When we start to think differently, we feel differently, and then we do differently. And this is about making changes. So no yak. Well, a little yak, but a whole lot of solutions and making changes. So tell me, how do you feel about a compliment or praise for something you did? How do you feel about receiving gifts? Does that all feel comfortable? Can you graciously accept a compliment? Or do you kind of diminish what it is that you've done? Or you just don't fully receive it. We make excuses why, well, it really wasn't that big of a deal. How do we handle compliments, praise, and gifts? Because giving and receiving, they work together. And if you're not open to both, you're missing the full benefit. So look at how you receive things into your life. So tell me, receiving, how does that make you feel? What emotion does it bring up in you? If you're comfortable with it, that is such a great thing. If you're feeling that a little uncomfortable, well, maybe you may want to open yourself up. Many times we receive in many ways. Are we open to receiving money? How does that make you feel? Can you have an unlimited amount of money? Or do people who have a lot of money, do you not look at them in a good way? Are you open to help and assistance? Or do you like to, always do everything yourself, and it always works out better if you do it yourself? Are you open to new information? Are you open to criticism? Or, you don't like criticism? All of those things will affect your ability to receive things into your life. You want to be open. Does that make sense? Got a little follow along video for you to do. I hope that you enjoy it. And this is just to boost your mind, to prep your mind for being open to receive whatever it is to receive. Because in many cases, we are putting up lots of walls and defensive things because we're trying to protect ourselves from things coming in because we think there's danger. And if we have that as a predominant attitude that we need to be more on guard, then you may want to look at that so that you can be open to receiving all the good things that want to come. Because many times when we're blocking, we're also blocking the good things. Enjoy the video and make sure, pay it forward by commenting or hitting the like button so other people, when they see the video, they say, oh, this looks like something I should see because a lot of people said good things about it, or they has a lot of likes, and that way you can pay it forward so others can benefit. Again, my name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and I hope you love this mind cardio video that you're about to do.